Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, I really hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, we have our first 2019 box. We have our January 2019 paper box. This is the grand box. They do offer two different subscriptions. They have their mini, which is $10 a month, and you receive 3 personalized notepads, and then they have their grand box, which is $28 a month, and you receive a bunch of personalized goodies. So I'm super excited to dive in here and see what we've got. So let's hop on in. January, y'all. So 2019. New year, more chances, big dreams, fresh start. So that is what we see when we open it. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty interesting. So let's take a look here. So we got some pencils. Let's see, they probably have something on them. It says, you have to be odd to be number one. That's cute. Say what you mean, but don't say it mean. My granddaddy used to always say what you mean and mean what you say. So there's that, and then we have this. What is this? What are you? Okay, and this is the same. The new year, more chances, big dreams first start here. January 13th is Make Your Dreams Come True Day. If you have been procrastinating on fulfilling your dream, this is your chance to get things right. Studies show you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. And then it says Nikki's Goals, Hopes, and Dreams. That is really cute. I like that. I'll have to write some stuff down. All right. All right, so it looks like everything is actually wrapped up in here. So let's see. So this is all the stuff we've got. Make sure I didn't miss anything. All right. Okay, so these are some stickers. That is cute. I like you. That's adorable. I pick you. And hey, sweetie. Those are cute. And then I love this. This always comes in their grand box. You get one of these for every month. It's a little pop-up calendar. And so it says January, and then it has my name and everything here. And then the back side has the new year, more chances, big dreams, fresh start. So that is always super cute. And then let's see, what are you? January 24th is National Compliment Day. Compliments are free. What goes around comes around. Sincere compliments build trust. Kindness doesn't actually kill. Compliments spark creativity, and smiling burns calories. All right. Okay, so these are like postcards. This one says, Nikki thinks you smell great. That's cute. I, Nikki, appreciate you. Nikki thanks you for making her smile. These are cute. You, my friend, are the cat's pajamas and the kitten's mittens. Nikki. I just... You have great hair. Nikki. And every day is blah when I don't see you. That is cute. Those are super cute. I like those a lot. I like the postcard look to them. And what are you? I said, what are you? You. So this looks like a card. Came with an envelope. Hashtag thinking of you. Super cute. That's cute. I like that. We're gonna stick this back in here. And it looks like we have a birthday card. Happy, and it has a space, number, birthday. Whether you plan to, verb, you should never celebrate your adjective day without noun. Don't forget I, adjective. You can fill it in. That's really cute. Then in parentheses, insert clever message. That's cute. My husband's birthday is January 13th, so I may come up with something clever, and this might be his birthday card. And then, what are you? It says, just a note from, and then it has my name down here. This is like a little notepad. That's actually cute. It's kind of going with the theme of everything as far as like the chat bubbles. So that's cute. I like that. I like that a lot. 2019, and so another week, and so ends another week without me becoming expectedly wealthy. That's my name on it. Yeah. Let's start this year off right. Dates. And then it looks like we have January, February. We'll go through all the months here and the dates. And then notes and plans. So then the rest is just blank pages. So that's cute. Looks like a journal planner, however you want to work it. I like that. And again, it's personalized. My name on it. Cute, cute, cute. It may take a year. I'm sorry, it might take a year. It might take a day, but it might take a year, it might take a day, but what's meant to be will always find a way. Yo, that is so cute. And then it's just blank on the inside. So another cute journal. Can use this for notes for lots of videos. I think that's super cute. So we got two journal planner books. This really awesome notepad. Two cards and envelopes. we got, how many of these did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 postcards that are all adorable. These 3 stickers, the cute pop-up calendar, which I look forward to every month, and the cute little pencils, and the big goal poster. So that was my paper box for January 2019. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. I think this is all super cute. It has actually gotten me so back into the art of sending cards and letters, which I think is awesome. I've thought for the longest time that was like gone. But when you actually have the things ready to go, personalized, which makes it even cuter, you're much more likely to send a card, a letter. Hello, how are you? I miss you. You know, just let someone know you're thinking of them. It's always awesome. So definitely a way to kind of get you into doing it. So I would, like I said, leave everything down below if you would like to sign up. Let me know what you think of the video down below, and I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you in the next video. Bye.